Welcome to Sing Taran. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook potato carrot rice. All you need is one potato. Cut the potato into cubes. Put the potato into a bowl and soak with water. You will need 5 mushrooms. Soak the mushroom in water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can slice it into small pieces. You can either use ham or chicken, but I'm going to use ham because my kids love it. You can use 8 pieces of ham and cut it into small pieces. You will need 1 carrot. Cut the carrot into small cubes. We will also need some chopped garlic. Wash 2 cups of rice. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add in the garlic. Add in the mushroom. Add in the ham. Add in the carrot. And lastly, add in the potatoes. You can add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and add some pepper. Add about 300 ml of water. Let it boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pour the ingredient into a rice cooking pot. Next, add the rice into the cooking pot. Add 3 eggs into it. Put the rice to cook. After 20 minutes, the rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Sing Taran for more recipes.